Hey guys, so we're over here with a lost cat. My mom might take her to the vet. Here's the kitty. She looks so cute. She's lost. I don't know what I could do with her, guys. Comment what I should do. Should I find her mom or should me and my mom just keep her? I don't know. She's walking away. The cat might be farther than me. She might come inside, but she looks so cute. She looks so cute. No, don't worry. Don't worry. It will be okay. I'll be okay, little kitten. It will be okay, little cat. It will be okay. Oh, you want my scooter? No. Kitty, do not press the button. No. Do not press the button. Do not. Wait. Be careful. Be careful. Just be careful. No, little kitty. Kitty, no, you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. No. Do not do that. You're gonna fall. It has germs. No. Kitty, don't. Come on. Just get down. Come on, kitty. Kitty, get down. Yeah, that's a good girl, boy. Oh, the charger? No, kitty. You will get electrified. No, kitty. Don't do that. Kitty, what happened? Kitty. No. You're going to get electrified. No, kitty, do not. Guys, I hope she does not get electrified. I might tell people to not get outside, but I don't know if she's right now. So, she's over here. Say hi, little kitty. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Wait, she's about to get stuck. Say hi. Say hi. Meow. No, she's trying to choke herself. Kitty. It will be okay. It will be just fine. You just have to be careful. Be ultra careful. Wait, she has to be super careful, guys. Super careful. Oh my god. Kitty. Oh my god, I have to end.